Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, vending machine again. The red Batman Arkham Knight. This is a very old car, the 67 Pontiac Firebird 400. A very old car. Corvette Stingray, Party Wagon, Baja Bug, the Kia Stinger, the Greenwood Corvette, Toyota Off-Road, the Fast and Furious Chevelle, Chrysler Pacifica, okay, this is a fantasy casting. I don't know what is the name. So is this truck, and this is the Ford Thunderbird dragster, Unimog, ambulance, bone shaker, another pickup truck, the Camaro in green, very nice. GMC Hummer, recolor in green, the Batmobile. Some new castings, fantasy castings. This Land Rover is very nice, but it's in cartoon livery. Then we have the orange Jaguar, Impala, and another Ford Mustang. So I like the Ford Thunderbird, but pink color or purple is not really my thing. So I'll pass. There will definitely be a recolor. Camaro is also nice in green. So is the Land Rover, but it's in entertainment colors. The Robin from Batman. So I'll pass this time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.